In this video, I'll show you how to add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your YouTube, click on this plus icon, select the video you want to use for this, right? So let's say I want to select this my previous video I just made. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just click on it. And please make sure it's going to be in the vertical style, right? Let it don't be in the horizontal style. Let it be in the vertical aspect ratio style. So I'm going to click on this video. Click on next. In this video, click on next. So this is going to come out right now. You can see this video is in the vertical aspect ratio style. So you're going to be able to see this a pen icon in this video. So click the pen icon. Use this to adjust and select where you want it to be, right? So use this to select and adjust where you want it to be the thumbnail. So this I can be able to do this. So if I select this and if I click on this plus, you can see what is going to show as the thumbnail. So click on it. If you adjust this as well, click on this plus. If you click on the pen icon, adjust it again, you can see what it's going to show. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.